So, you know, a lot of my cooking is about nostalgia. You know, I love the food that I grew up with. No, we weren't in Italy making pesto or fragipan with our grandparents and all that sort of stuff. But, you know, the thing is that we grew up around food and we were connected to it in New Zealand. Fish and chips, that was our only takeaway. Probably got it once a month, huge thrill. So I was thinking, well, what can I do with this magnificent cold smoked salmon, but have a sort of a flashback nostalgic angle to it? So I thought about the old potato fritter. 10 cents a potato fritter back then. Close your eyes, you could even be eating fish. So, that's a potato. We all know what that is, and it's a peeled one. And all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut that little bit off, like that. And so we've got a flat surface. I'm thinking this is 1/2 centimetre thick. Yeah, simple, like so. Got it, easy. So we just do a bunch of those. Here's the tempura batter that's ready to go. 2 ingredients, soda water and the tempura batter. You just add as much as you want. So the more water you add to the batter, the thinner it will be. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I've got my batter, I've got my nice thin pieces of potato. They just go straight in here, into there. See that? The batter's stuck to it. And so we're gonna bring this over, put it in the deep fryer, and just like when you're at the chippy, drop them in. So, here we are. This is what they do on the YouTube. They go, see how crunchy it is? Perfect. Look at this. So we've got beautiful salmon, we've got our potato fritters. We need some sort of sauce to bring it all together. I had some ranch in the fridge, and I think this will work a trick. So what I'm gonna do, first little hack for you. So I put a little bit of the ranch down. That's the glue. So that's gonna keep the potato fritter from slipping around. Now look at this, magnificent. Look how beautiful that is. We're making a little bit of a ribbon on there. We're gonna add a little bit of ranch over the top. Oh, I mean, that looks like something, you know, that you'd eat at the Ritz. You know, like those blinis. That's my New Zealand blini, made with a potato fritter. I want to add a little bit of freshness. I've got a few basil leaves, just for colour and for freshness. I might do a little pepper grind. Again, lemon, always. I mean, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. And I know that that is going to eat like a dream. Bloody beautiful. That's what I say.